Welcome to my channel, Smoke Daddy Barbecue. And today we're doing a barbecue pizza. Show you these good old ingredients. I know I'm gonna show all my ingredients, but I'm working on starting to show some ingredients on certain stuff. Not all, but certain stuff. You got to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell to get all these ingredients. Somebody asked me to do a barbecue pizza, something simple for the kids. This is something the kids gonna love. Just quick ingredients, a little crust. I'm using some smoked pork. I'm gonna make a supreme pizza and I'm gonna make a regular pizza. Which is regular barbecue sauce. I got honey barbecue sauce because the kids love honey. They love that sweet stuff. So watch this, this is gonna be a great one. So just some regular mozzarella cheese, some stuff you can just go to your basic store. Won't take long. Normally, I do my pizza. I'm gonna do the next pizza with the my homemade barbecue sauce. Now I put it on the grill. You got to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Let me know if you want to see my homemade barbecue pizza. When I do the homemade barbecue pizza, it's gonna be same basic ingredients, except for the sauce to be my homemade sauce, and I put the pizza on the grill. You got to comment. Let me know now what you think. That being said, let's go and make us some pizzas. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 425. Then want to brush the crust with some olive oil and top it up. Put it in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Let's do 7 or 9 minutes. I got some infused olive oil, so I'm a little different. So with that being said, I'm gonna top some of these pieces. We're gonna see how they come out. Ow! As you see, I got 2 pieces made. One supreme. I got the one that's gonna be plain, which is meat, cheese, and sauce. I'm gonna put some additional sauce on the end. That being said, I'm gonna top this last pizza so I can get them in the oven. Put a little of that olive oil on that thing. We're gonna have this thing right, y'all. Nothing fancy, y'all. I'll brush my outsides as well. When I get finished, I will put a little outside glaze with the brush like that. Oh yeah. Barbecue sauce. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all like to see me to make next. Comment down below what y'all like to see me make next. Put a little chicken, put my meat on, a little extra sauce. With some cheese. Make this a supreme. No Pacific order. Onions, mushrooms, olives, bell peppers. Oh yeah. Tell me your mouth watering now, right? Tell me you're ready to eat some of this pizza. Put a little extra cheese. I love cheese, so I put a little extra. Finished product. Gonna put them in the oven. Stay tuned for to put them in the oven. We're about to eat. Now the pizza's all done. It's time for a taste test. So much flavor. The smoked meat. Y'all let me know if y'all try it. Comment down below if you're gonna try it. And let me know how it comes out. It's very delicious to me. Well, my neighbor didn't want nothing on his, so my neighbor gets that one with nothing on it. My neighbor wanted only meat, cheese, and sauce. I'm eating the Supreme, and my other neighbor gonna taste the Supreme with me. With that being said, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribing. And stay tuned for the next videos. I'm out of here.